Dear students, Management Information System subject. Today we are going to discuss an overview of CASE tools. CASE stands for Computer Aided Software Engineering. It means development and maintenance of software projects with the help of various automated software tools. CASE tools are set of software application programs which are used to automate software development lifecycle activities. CASE tools are used by software project managers, analysts, and engineers to develop software systems. There are a number of CASE tools available to simplify various stages of software development lifecycle, such as analysis tools, design tools, project management tools, database management tools, documentation tools, or to name a few. Use of CASE tools accelerates the development of project to produce desired result and helps to uncover flaws before moving ahead with the next stage in software development. CASE tools can be broadly divided into the following parts based on their use at a particular software development lifecycle stage. Central repository. CASE tools require a central repository which can serve as a common, integrated, and consistent information. Central repository is a central place of storage where product specifications, requirement documents, related reports and diagrams, other useful information regarding management is stored. Central repository also serves as data dictionary. Uppercase tools. Uppercase tools are used in planning, analysis, design stages of software development lifecycle. Lowercase tools. Lowercase tools are used in implementation, testing, and maintenance stages of software development lifecycle. Integrated case tools are helpful in all the stages of software development lifecycle from requirement gathering to testing and documentation. Case tools can be grouped together if they have a similar functionality, process activities, and capability of getting integrated with other tools. Computer-assisted software engineering tools were developed to support the professional system developer and improve their productivity in the complex task of developing large information systems. From a developer's viewpoint, CASE tools provide support for modeling aspects of the system using a variety of notations and techniques, from diagrams to mathematics and text, producing prototype code, and even verifying the correctness of the system design. It is also sometimes a tedious process of writing system documentation and keeping it up to date. Tools often allow the creation and management of a central repository of documents and other artifacts which are useful both for communication within a development team and for project management and decision making. Importantly, they improve the quality of the development process by supporting and to a large extent enforcing a standard methodology and sound design principles. Despite of these potential benefits, there are often constraints to the adoption of tools. The introduction of a case tool within an organization comes at a high cost. An upfront investment is required to acquire the technology and to train personnel accordingly, while the benefits of using the tool manifest themselves only in the long term. Case tools are only effective if standard methodologies and processes are adopted across the organization. The definition of standard procedures and practices also has to be established at the beginning. At times, the obstacles are cultural. There may be some resistance from analysts and developers who perceive the rigidity of an enforced methodology as a threat to their autonomy and creativity. The initial learning curve is quite steep and they may not consider the effort worthwhile in terms of improvement in productivity and quality. Another major drawback is that the available tools tend to be narrow in their focus and concentrate on small subset of activities within the development process. For instance, most tools support modeling, while hardly any provide facilities for communication between customers and developers. This may result in a variety of tools to be used within a process, with all the difficulties arising from integration and interchange of information. Now we briefly go through various case tools. Diagram tools. These tools are used to represent system components, data, and control flow among various software components and system structure in a graphical form. Some of the diagram tools which are widely used in the markets are Flowchart Maker tool for creating state-of-the-art flowcharts. Second, process modeling tools. Process modeling is a method to create software process model which is used to develop the software. Process modeling tools help the manager to choose a process model or modify it as per the requirement of software product. An example for process modeling tool is EPF Composer. Project management tools. These tools are used for project planning, cost and effort estimation, project scheduling, and resource planning. Managers have to strictly comply project execution with every mentioned step in software project management. Project management tools help in storing and sharing project information in real time throughout the organization. Examples for project management tools are Creative Pro Office, Track Project, and Basecamp. Documentation tools. Documentation in a software project starts prior to the software process, goes throughout all phases of software development lifecycle, and after the completion of the project. Documentation tools generate documents for technical users and end users. Technical users are mostly in-house professionals of the development team who refer to system manual, reference manual, training manual, installation manual, etc. The end user documents describe the functioning and how of the system, such as user manual. Examples for documentation tools are Doxygen, Dr. Explain, Adobe RoboHelp for documentation. Analysis tools. These tools help to gather requirements, automatically check for any inconsistency, inaccuracy in the diagrams, data redundancies, or erroneous omissions. Examples for analysis tools are Accept 360, Acompa, Case Complete for requirement analysis, Visible Analyst for total analysis. Design tools. These tools help software designers to design the block structure of the software, which may further be broken down in smaller modules using refinement techniques. These tools provides detailing of each module and interconnections among modules. Example for design tools are Animated Software Design. Configuration Management Tools. An instance of software is released under one version. Configuration management tools deals with version and revision management, baseline configuration management, change control management. Case tools help in this by automatic tracking, version management, and release management. Examples for configuration management tools are Fossil, GIT, Aku, REV. Change control tools. These tools are considered as a part of configuration management tools. They deal with the changes made to the software after its baseline is fixed or when the software is first released. Case tools automate change tracking, file management, code management, and more. It also helps in enforcing change policy of the organization. Programming tools. These tools consist of programming environments like integrated development environment, inbuilt modules, library, and simulation tools. These tools provide comprehensive aid in building software product and include features for simulation and testing. Examples for programming tools are Cscope to search code in C and Eclipse. Prototyping tools. Software prototype is a simulator version of the intended software product. Prototype provides initial look and feel of the product and simulates few aspects of actual product. Prototyping case tools essentially come with graphical libraries. They can create hardware independent user interfaces and design. These tools help us to build rapid prototypes based on existing information. In addition, they provide a simulation of software prototype. Examples for prototyping tools are Serena Prototype Composer and Markup Builder. Web development tools. These tools assist in designing web pages with all allied elements like forms, text, script, graphic, and so on. Web tools also provide a live preview of what is being developed and how will it look after completion. Examples for web development tools are Fantalo, Adobe Edge Inspect, Foundation 3, and Brackets. Quality assurance tools. Quality assurance in a software organization is monitoring the engineering process and methods adapted to develop the software product in order to ensure conformance of quality as per organization standards. Quality assurance tools consist of configuration and change control tools and software testing tools. Example for quality assurance tools are SOAP Test, AppsWatch, and JMeter. Maintenance tools. Software maintenance includes modifications in the software product after it is delivered. Automatic logging and error reporting techniques, automatic error ticket generation, and root cause analysis are few case tools which help software organization in maintenance phase of software development lifecycle. Examples for maintenance tools are Bugzilla for defect tracking and HP Quality Center. Students, so far we have discussed what is case tools, what are all its components, various benefits of case tools and its constraints, and various types of case tools available. Thank you for listening. If you have any queries, please post your queries. It's my pleasure to answer your queries. Thank you once again.